The LAUNCH X431 PROS Elite 2024 is a state-of-the-art diagnostic scanner that offers powerful and stable diagnostics, making it an essential tool for automotive repair professionals. This scanner supports advanced online coding for a variety of car brands, allowing users to personalize and modify vehicle settings with ease. With over 37 service functions, including oil reset and battery reset, this tool provides extensive diagnostic capabilities that cover almost every aspect of vehicle maintenance. Equipped with a 2.0 gigahertz quad-core CPU and a 6,000 milliampere-hour battery, the X431 PROS Elite ensures fast processing and long-lasting performance. The all-system diagnostics and bi-directional control features help pinpoint problem locations accurately, significantly improving repair efficiency. The device also includes guided functions for VAG group cars and intelligent VIN identification, making the diagnostic process more convenient and effective.